After a fair bit of searching, I've managed to find the right size pinion gear. So hopefully, if I can get this back together, it might work. Which way round does that go? It's going to go on there. That's a very small pinion gear. Most of the ones I found were a little bit bigger. That one had only got 8 teeth. Let's just see what happens. Switch that over there, hold it tight. Well, we might be lucky. Especially if I can remember which screws were which. I don't expect that wire went under there, did it? You may notice it took me so long to find the right size gear, I've had to put the lights on now. Sorry, my hand's in the way, isn't it? Come on. Right, so we fixed that end. Do we really want to take the steering apart and have a look at it? I suppose we ought to. Right, it looks fairly straightforward. Before I take it apart, we can see down there, that's where that peg goes to push the steering side to side, and then we've got a spring in there which should be linking up with a peg that comes up the bottom there that's missing, but that would adjust the centering position. Right, let's have a look. Whoa, what a lot of gears. And just there's some sort of a clutch mechanism as well, which we can probably lift out without losing everything. Yeah, it's one of those sort of clutches. Oh, took one of these apart just the other day actually, and had the same problem. Bits falling out. Some sort of a centrifugal clutch. As it spins up, those little bits must move out a little bit and grip the inside of this one. Right, can we get it back in again? Okay, last look before I put it back together. So, centrifugal clutch, small gear, big gear, small gear, big gear, small gear, big gear, small gear, big gear. So a lot of reduction there to give it plenty of torque to do the steering. Make sure that goes in there. Which were the right screws. Right, so that's back together. The only thing that would be interesting, or the only other thing that would be interesting, would be to try and trigger the sound effects. I'll have a think about that. Might be something for another video. I'll film it in the low light just so we can see the lights. Yeah, it's working. Pleased with that. Just a shame we couldn't figure out how to get the sound effects working.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.